As the showdown between TMC and BJP continues, Saikat Bhawal, a BJP worker from Halisahar area of the state, was killed during a clash allegedly by TMC workers. BJP claims that TMC workers targeted him during the party's door-to-door outreach program in North 24 Paraganas. The Saffron Party also blamed TMC for attacking 6 other BJP workers who are critically injured and fighting for their life. In fact, 3 people have been arrested in the case so far. TMC, meanwhile, hit back at the BJP's allegations and called the workers' death a result of personal enmity. Cutting across to Manogya, joining us for more details. Manogya, we have another case of a BJP worker being found dead. It's shocking to say the least, and the blame again goes on the TMC. Take us through the details.
Well, one after the other, there have been deaths being reported of BJP workers. The latest one being yesterday, where one of the workers, Saikat Bhawal, who was there in the door-to-door campaign being conducted by BJP in North 24 Parganas, was first attacked. There were several other people who were attacked, but he lost his life, with leaving several other injured also in those clashes that happened during this campaign. However, this is not one of those instances that has left the entire political scenario of the state scarred with so much of bloodshed as well as violence which we've been witnessing. There's also another level of escalation of the debate and the tussle between the centre and the state, where the deputation of 3 IPS officers has now been denied by the state government, where it was asked by the central to send 3 officers, Rajiv Mishra, Praveen Tripathi as well as Bholanath Pandey, 3 IPS officers to be sent to Delhi on deputation, which has now been denied. Now, one after the other, these are one of those instances of the fight that has been ongoing between TMC and BJP, and it will continue for the next few months too.